The Microsoft Word has various templates for resume that you can use and are for free. With just a few clicks here and there, you can choose from a large variety of good-looking templates. So if you also want to know how to access the resume templates, you can follow the steps in this video tutorial. Now to start in creating a resume, you have to first launch your Microsoft Word on your device. Click the New option in the left categories. Type resume in the search bar. Then press Enter. Now here you can scroll down and you will see different designs of resume templates. And if you found a template that fits what you like, you can just click on it and select Create to download the document. Then the next step is to fill in the areas the resume has to offer. But if the resume template you chose does not have the section names you need, you can easily change it by clicking on the text and type something new. And if you're also having some difficulties in filling up your template, you can utilize the Resume Assistant on the right-hand side of your screen. Just click the Get Started option. Then the Resume Assistant will ask you to enter what kind of position and industry you're interested in. After adding some details, the Resume Assistant will show you some work experiences examples. Now you can just scroll down here and you will be shown articles that will help you write your resume. And with that, you are now ready to start editing and create your new resume. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.